How do you simplify rational expressions involving trinomials? That's what we're going to talk about today. This video is brought to you by the Team Lyqa online review program. More about this later. Hi there and welcome to Team Lyqa, where we try to help you prepare better for your next exam. And this is part 3 ng series na ito. So if you haven't seen parts 1 and 2 yet, go ahead and watch those first kasi those are important dun sa didiscuss natin ngayon. Okay? Now, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit subscribe, hit that bell icon. We have more lessons coming up. So if hindi nyo gustong ma-miss yung mga educational content that we put up every time, go ahead and subscribe. And let's keep learning together. Let's start off with this. B plus 2 all over b squared plus 7b plus 10. Now, susi dito yung pagfa-factor ng trinomials. And we have a separate lesson involving that. And if you haven't seen that yet, ilink ko na lang din, ha? And doon in-explain ko how I do it and hopefully makatulong yun sa inyo. Now, sa ganitong klaseng mga tanong, sa totoo lang, clue nyo na yung nasa itaas. Kapag ang topic sa school or yun yung given sa inyong test ay meron ng initial na binomial sa itaas, mas maganda kung i-factor nyo yun out completely and then kung ano man yung natirang binomial, yun yung clue dun sa kung ano yung isang binomial na kailangan ninyo dito sa nasa ilalim. Let me show you how I do it. Dahil yung b plus 2, wala na akong magagawa dyan. Ibig sabihin nun, ang una kong susubukan ay kung b plus 2 yung nasa ilalim na isang binomial. Now, bakit ganon? Kasi ang trinomials, madalas ay binubuo or produkto ng dalawang binomials. Natatandaan niyo yung FOIL method na tinatawag? Yun. Pero basically, what we're going to do here is reverse engineer yung FOIL and hahanapin natin kung ano yung i-multiply ko una dun sa first term, sa b, para lumabas yung b squared. At yun ang ilalagay ko dito. Now, ang b squared ay dalawang b, which means this right here should be another b. Next, I'm going to look at yung nasa last. Bakit? Kasi yun yung clue ko sa kung ano yung imumultiply ko dito sa plus 2 na yan. Again, itong b plus 2 na yan, dito siya galing. Now, plus 10 or positive 10, yung nasa last ng trinomial sa ilalim. Anong kailangan kong gawin sa positive 2 para lumabas ang positive 10? Imumultiply ko siya sa positive 5. So, yun yung una kong susubukan. Kapag ito ba ang factors na ginamit ko, lalabas ba ito? And if we solve it using the FOIL method, b and b is b squared, 2b is plus 2b, tapos na tayo sa inside, outside naman, b times 5, that is positive 5b. And then yung last will be 2 times 5 is positive 10. Na kung makikita ninyo, lalabas na yung original na trinomial dun sa given. So, ibig sabihin nun, tama tayo dito. That's the reason why sinabi ko sa inyo na mas maganda kung subukan nyo muna na i-take ito as one of the given. Now, of course, hindi naman laging ganon. Sa mga trick questions sa exams, if your professor or teacher wants to really check kung hindi kayo sumachamba lang, they could just put this here at hindi mo na siya pwedeng i-simplify further. But in most cases, lalo na kung nagtitipid sa oras, subukan nyo na agad na isang factor yung binomial na given. Okay? And now that we have that, pwede na natin i-cancel yung b plus 2 sa taas dahil may kaparis na siyang b plus 2 sa ilalim. Which leaves us with 1 over b plus 5 as our final answer. Okay? Now, paano kung parehong trinomial yung nasa taas at nasa ibaba? If you're having fun learning sa lesson na ito, you have way more if you join the online review program. It's a 10-week program designed for people taking aptitude tests like the civil service exam. This program started back in 2017 and has since helped so many people pass their tests. People from all walks of life, across multiple generations, iba't ibang edad, iba't ibang pinanggalingan, and we cover not just yung fundamentals when it comes to the topics ng math, language, analytical reasoning, logic, at marami pang iba, kung hindi pati yung mga super secret, exclusive tips, tricks, and techniques that I teach exclusively doon sa mga estudyante ng program na ito. The 10-week program includes a diagnostic exam in the beginning, a mock exam towards the end. And every week you have a pre-test, a post-test, as well as multiple online learning experiences where you study the concept and then apply it right away sa isang quiz para siguradong hindi mo makalimutan yung mga natutuhan mo. So if you're taking an exam really soon and you want more resources, message us on our Facebook page, m.me/Team Lyqa, to figure out if you can join our next batch of students. Sa lahat ng mga nag-enroll din, maraming salamat sa inyo. Alam niyo na yan, you help me help more people by joining this program, by buying the review books, and by supporting our channel. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Now back to the video. Well, let's start with just one. Dun sa itaas, you have x squared plus 6x plus 8. Kung hahatiin ko yan, agad-agad, makikita natin, you could split it between x and another x, yung x squared. Now, ang tip ko sa inyo, pag nagpa-factor tayong trinomial, you look at the last next, kasi yung plus 8 na yan ay produkto ng either 1 times 8 or 2 times 4. At dahil plus 6 or positive 6 yung nasa gitna, sa 1 at 8 at 2 and 4, anong combination ang posibleng maglabas ng sum or difference na 6? Edi yung 2 and 4, di ba? So that gives us a clue na this could be x plus 2 and x plus 4. Now, kung i-check natin yan, ang dalawang x, first is x squared, tama tayo doon. You have 2x inside and 4x outside. That is 4x plus 2x or 6x, tama tayo dyan. And then positive 2 times positive 4 is going to give us positive 8. So, tama na tayo doon sa itaas. Now, dito na tayo sa ilalim. Now, you could do the exact same thing here na ifa-factor mo lang siya blindly and out of thin air. Or, you could use yung method na ginawa natin kanina, which is to pick out a factor that kind of makes sense. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Dito sa mga nakuha na natin, x plus 2 and x plus 4, ano kaya yung posibleng makapaglabas ng x squared plus 3x plus 2? Na kung makikita ninyo, yung 4, mas malaki na agad siya dun sa positive 2 dito. So, malabo na ito yung isa sa factors sa pinag-uusapan natin. So, ang una kong huhulaan would be x plus 2 na lang agad at kung ano man ang imumultiply ko sa x plus 2 para lumabas yung x squared plus 3x plus 2. Now, of course, this should lead with an x kasi x squared naman yung una nating term. Sa dulo, meron kang positive 2. At dahil may plus 2 ka na dito sa x plus 2 na yan, this is just going to be x plus 1. Now, kung i-check natin at imumultiply natin, x times x is x squared. 2x plus 1x is 3x. Tama rin tayo doon. And positive 2 times positive 1 is 2. So, tama tayo doon. At agad-agad, makikita natin na meron tayong pwedeng i-cancel, yung x plus 2 sa taas at x plus 2 sa ilalim. Which leaves us with our answer, x plus 4 over x plus 1. That becomes kung ano yung natitira. Okay? So again, if at any point you feel like, bakit yung nasa dulo yung inuuna or anything like that, go ahead and watch yung video ko on how to factor trinomials first. Doon ko hinimay kung ano yung ginagawa ko. Now, the best way for you to know kung na-gets nyo yung lesson na to is to answer our quick quiz. And if you're ready for your pen and paper, your timer starts now. All right, let's see how you did. This is question number 1. X plus 9 all over, x squared plus 12x plus 27. Now, gaya na ginawa natin kanina, clue na natin yung x plus 9 na yan. Susubukan na natin agad, x plus 9. Anong imumultiply ko sa x plus 9 para lumabas yung x squared plus 12x plus 27? Dahil 9, 18, 27, ibig sabihin 3 ang kailangan ko i-multiply sa 9 para lumabas itong 27 na yan. gagawin ko siyang plus 3. Now, kung i-check natin yan, x and x is x squared, tama. 9x plus 3x is 12x, so tama tayo doon. And then you have 9 times 3, which is 27. So we're good to go. Now, we're going to just cancel yung x plus 9 sa taas, may x plus 9 sa ilalim. So, ang matitira sa atin at ang nagiging sagot ay 1 over x plus 3. Okay? Next. This is a little bit tricky. May mga negative na kasi. But again, discuss na natin yan even before. Kaya nyo yan. And if you need to brush up on your integers, dahil nakalimutan nyo na yung positive and negative integers at yung ginagawa pag divide or minumultiply sila, panoorin na rin yung integers na playlist natin, ha? Okay, let's start with yung nasa taas. You have A and another A. Now, for an answer to be negative, kailangan yung isa ay positive, yung isa ay negative. So, lalagay ko na agad dito, positive and negative. Now, ano yung mga factors ng 72? Of course, you have 2 and 36, pero malayo yun para ang kalabasan lang na difference ay 1. So, maghahanap tayo nung magkalapit. That would be 8 and 9, right? 8 times 9 is 72. And di pa meron tayong technique sa multiplication ng 9 in which we just count yung ating mga fingers. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At i-fold natin ito and this will give us the answer. 72. 7 and then 2. Now, kung gusto nyo matutuhan din yon, may video din tayo niyan, ha? So, ibig sabihin nun, ang 9 times 8 is 72. At dahil yun ang merong difference na lalabas yung 1, yun yung susubukan natin. Now, dahil negative yung sign nung nasa gitna, ibig sabihin, mas malaki yung negative number, dito sa minus ko ilalagay yung 9 at sa plus ko naman ilalagay yung 8. Now, i-check natin kung lalabas yung trinomial sa itaas. A and A is A squared. Okay na tayo dyan. You have positive 8A plus negative 9A. So, dahil magkaiba sila ng sign, isusubtract natin yung mas maliit sa mas malaki. 9 minus 8 is 1. At kokopyahin natin yung sign ng mas malaki. Negative siya, so the answer would be negative 1A or just negative A. Tama na tayo dyan. And then, you have negative 8 times negative 9, which is going to give us negative 72. So, okay na tayo sa itaas. Dito na tayo sa ilalim. Now, sa ilalim naman, sisilipin uli natin kung ano yung nagme-make sense na lumabas, yung 8 o yung 9. Ang clue dyan, of course, would be kung ano yung last number dito sa trinomial na ito. In this case, it is 45. Ano yung mga factor pairs ng 45? You have 9 and 5, 15 and 3. Pero yung 9 and 5 pa lang, una sa lahat, meron na tayong 9 dito sa itaas. So that's a clue. And the other thing is, difference din ng 9 and 5 ang 4. So yun yung mas magandang subukan natin. Now, lagay na natin agad yung negative 9. Kasi wala namang 5 sa itaas. Will this make sense kung ang ilalagay ko dito ay plus 5? Saan ko kinuha yung 5? Kasi 9 minus 5 is 4. So yung 9 and 5 na minultiply ang mas magandang lumabas na 45. Check natin ngayon. A times A is 2A. Okay na tayo doon. Negative 9A plus positive 5A. Magkaiba sila ng sign. So ibabawas natin yung 5 sa 9. Lalabas ay 4. At kukopyahin natin yung sign ng mas malaki, which is negative. The answer would be negative 4A. Tama rin tayo doon. And then you have negative 9 times positive 5, which is going to give us negative 45. Tama rin tayo dyan. So we're done. Now, it's time to cancel. Meron kang A minus 9 sa taas, A minus 9 sa ilalim. Yung natitirang A plus 8 at A plus 5, wala na tayong magagawa dyan. So ang tamang sagot, A plus 8 over A plus 5. Okay? Now again, it's all about taking it one step at a time. Alright, I hope you learned something today. If you did, click thumbs up. Make sure to share this video with your friends. Lalo kung mag-exam din sila. That way, mas marami tayong matutulungan. And of course, if you want to learn other new things, comment nyo sa baba kung ano yung request ninyo na gawin ko sa susunod. And don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon. At Kung gusto nyo pang mag-aral ng even more lessons, we have other recommendations here for you. As we always say sa channel na to, never stop learning. Adja, kaya niyo yan. I'll see you in the next video and bye for now.